G'day guys, BJ from Edencraft. Going to show the latest 233 formula, leave our factory. Here we've got Josh and Bry's new formula. It's in 2C survey. It'll be operating out of Batemans Bay. So as you can tell, it's a charter boat. It'll do operations around Batemans Bay, Ulladulla, and a few other places as well. So as you probably see a lot of guys, a 4-ton easy tow trailer. It's an alloy trailer. It's also got full stainless steel upgrades for the braking system, rotational spare. We've got the boat catch here, the large boat catch. We've got the 9 kilo polished anchor, and we've got the GX4 anchor winch in there as well. So down the back of the boat, 200 Suzuki's. Water tested really nicely, 85 k's an hour top end speed, and at cruise 1 for 1. So really can't complain. They're great fuel economy, plenty of punch. Very happy. As you probably said before, it's a pod mount. So the reason behind Josh and Brian going the pod mount is obviously they're in charter and they need the deck space. So it gives them a bigger deck and it increases the boat length by about 2 foot. So overall it's a bigger boat due to the pod, but it's very functional for what they need. So in the back of Josh and Brian's boat here, we've got the fold-away bench seat here at the rear. So all the passengers sit down a spot from when they're underway, and it can fold away when they want to fish or they need the deck space. As mentioned, it's got the pod, so as you can tell, we've got a huge deck space here, which is fantastic for this operation of the boat. There's a few other things up the front which are really cool, which I'll show you as well. So one really cool thing about Josh and his operation, he's actually an ex-chef. So we've got the pie in the cabin. He's pretty adamant about when he has people on his boat about how good his food will be. So that's a real positive. He'll get me in there for sure. So got the pie in the cabin. Got the custom seat here with the frame. So Josh has got the fridge. We've got the socket down the bottom there to plug the fridge in. We've got the strap here to have his fridge under the seat. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. It sounds like with Josh's operation that he's going to be very customer orientated, so it sounds like he catches plenty of fish, and it sounds like he'll put on a good feed for you too when you're out in the boat, so fantastic. Up at the helm here, we've got a couple of sim-rad screens, a couple of transducers, high, wide and a low, perfect for what he's doing up there. What's really cool is we come up with a bit of an idea. Obviously Josh can have people at the back there when he's underway, and he's going to be concentrating on what he's doing and where he's going. So what we've done, we've added a rear vision camera. So we'll get a shot of it, we'll show you that, but yeah, really good idea. So he can be driving, concentrating, we've got the camera out the back. So another cool little thing about this boat, which is going to be really functional for Josh. If you're up that area and looking for a charter, get hold of Josh and Bri. Great husband and wife team, so yeah, fantastic. Been a pleasure building the boat for them.